Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to play this. Is it a game or I don't know what it is. I came across when I visited my friend, and he taught me I think two moves. So I'm going to just play the same way as he taught me. So the first thing, I'm going to make sure the yellow is at the center. Then I'm going to put whites at a cross so that we can start. Like in this case, the yellow line, the yellow box is at the center. Then there is this white and this white. So my goal is to put all white at a cross. So for now, we have these two. I'm remaining with these and these. So I'm going to, I don't know what to do, but let me try to do trial and error and see if it's going to work. You see, I managed to put a white at this uh, position. So next thing, I'm going to put the last white at this point. This is the hardest part, but I hope it's going to work. Oh my god, it's my first time trying this thing. The funny thing is that I saw a Chinese kid doing this thing in less than 3 seconds. Yet I'm here struggling to align. Oh my god. No, this is wonderful. You see, this is the first. That is the first step. Now, the next step, the second step, I'm going to make sure all the whites come at the bottom. Then there is no yellow line, there is no yellow box at the center. So let us start. To begin with that, we're going to make sure this line adjacent to the white is of the same color. Like this is blue, so I'm going to make sure here there is a blue. Then I take a 160 turn. Like you see, this is a blue. Then 160 turn, 180, not 160. Then this is it green or I don't know. So I'm going to find a similar color, then turn 180 degrees. Then this is orange, so you can see the oranges have aligned. So I'm going to take 160. This is green, no, not green, but this is it red or
Here goes my heart.
so I'm going to then you see, now it's a perfect cross. So thank you for watching up to that point. Next video I'll be doing the whole thing.